Today's video, guys. Today's going to be another episode of What's in the Box. Today we got Mishimoto. Stay tuned. Here we go. We got a couple of things from Mishimoto. Alright, here we go. Alright, today we got some Mishimoto stuff. This is going to be the first box. It's going to be a few things, so here we go with it. In the first box, we're going to have, let's see here, a Mishimoto black radiator hoses. Packaged extremely nicely. And if you know Mishimoto, you know the quality. So that's the first thing. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Okay. Kind of skipping around here, we'll go to, we have a tube here of some sort. Not really certain what this is, but we'll get her open. I think. There we go. Uh-oh. Mishimoto. It appears we have a, it's all in there, a Mishimoto Banner. So that's going to be a big dude. So we'll fold that out in a little bit so we can kind of see what that is together. Let me set it back here. And we got another couple of packages. Let's see if we can get her open. Alright. I think there's a top, one way or the other. Yeah, this way up. Alright, so set her down this way. And what we got is a double fan radiator shroud. Again, packaged extremely well. I'm thinking we use this on the IS300. The quality's great, the fans work great. I can't remember, we might not have this on the IS300. I think on the IS300 we got the cheap ones. But we got the Mishimoto Radiator. I think that's the way we got it. I can't remember, it's been a while since we did that. There was a small package, let's see what this is. Again, with Mishimoto, we're not the 100% sponsored deal. We have the discounted rate with the partial sponsor thing. So, I mean, we still pay pretty much retail, maybe 10% or 15% off or something of that nature. We're not, you know, that deep into discounts. But we got some stickers. You always got to have stickers. Every time we buy a brand or get involved with a brand, we try to support that business. And we got the Mishimoto windshield banners again. We got a couple of those. Got a couple new cars coming, so we're, you know, we're doing that. And there's a little list, make sure we got everything. And from Mishimoto, last but not least, the Mishimoto Radiator. Okay, on the 1J swap in the S14, probably the S13 too, I'm assuming, I think the KA comes in on the passenger side. The top radiator hose actually hooks there on the radiator. Well, if you do an SR swap or a 1J swap, you want it on the driver's side, the top outlet. So what this is the SR swap radiator is how they have it listed, but it's the same what you need for the 1J. It works for the same way on a JZ swap because the coolant neck transfers over. So you got it. We're doing Mishimoto Fan Shroud, Mishimoto fans. These boxes always smell so good. If you smell the little penguin air freshener, they always smell like that. If you've ever smelled that from Mishimoto, if you hadn't, you're missing out. It's like a sweet candy smell of some sort. I don't know. It's just a sweet smell. But yes, we have our Mishimoto radiator for the 1JZ swap S14. So yeah, let's move the boxes out of the way. We'll set some of this stuff up and we'll take a gander and see what kind of stuff we got and get a little close up on it. So, all right, here we go.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Alright, we got the whole Mishimoto radiator and fan shroud put together. Let's take a look. Alright, so the only issues I had was on this side. I had a little bit of issue because it's like this end needed to go down that way a little bit. Besides that, everything fit pretty good. Got it wired in, set it in the car, put the radiator hoses up. I gotta put the bottom, make sure I got bottom grommets for it, for the where it sits, and let's see how it goes. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high.